Did you know that the defibrillator trying to save your life might already know if you're worth saving? Modern emergency defibrillators now run on AI that calculates your survival chances in seconds. But here's the disturbing part. They're not just reading your heart rhythm. These machines access your zip code, insurance status, and demographic data in real time. They pull hospital capacity reports, your medical history, even social media profiles, all to create something called a treatment priority score. Defibrillators in wealthy neighborhoods get faster software updates and premium maintenance. Meanwhile, devices in low-income areas operate with known glitches that literally reduce survival rates. The machines are quietly building databases of who gets saved and who doesn't. They're programmed to make value judgments about human worth during the most critical moments. Your heart stops, but the algorithm has already decided if your life is worth the effort. Technology meant to save lives has learned to choose whose lives matter most.